Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the NA10 Masterclass. In today's lecture, we will explore the NA10 interface and create our very first workflow step by step. If you are a beginner, this lecture is very important because understanding the interface makes everything easier. So let's get started. This is the NA10 dashboard, also called the editor interface. Here in the center, we have the canvas areas where we build workflows. On the right side, you can see the nodes panel. Nodes are the building blocks of automation. At the top, we have options like save, execute workflow, and workflow name. This clean interface makes workflow creation simple and visual. Now let's understand the nodes panel in NA10. Nodes are the main building blocks of every workflow. Each node performs a specific task or connects with the service. To add node, click the plus icon and open the node panel. Here you can search and select any node you need. For example, the Gmail node. Gmail node is used to send emails, read emails, or automate inbox tasks. Now we move to the next node. The next node is Google Sheet. The Google Sheet node helps you create, update, read, or manage spreadsheet data automatically. Now we move to the next node. The next node is about Telegram node. The Telegram node allows you to send messages, receive updates, and build Telegram automation. Now move to the next node. The next node is about Slack node. The Slack node is used for Teams communications, notifications, and alerts. Move to the next node. The next node is HTTP request node. The HTTP request node is one of the most powerful nodes because it connects with external APIs and websites. Now move to the webhook node. The webhook node receives data from outside apps and starts workflow instantly. Now move to the next node. The next node is set node. Set node is used to create custom data or edit values inside a workflow. The next node is if node. The if node is used for conditions such as yes, no, logic, or decision making. Now move to the next node, which is code node. The code node allows advanced user to run JavaScript for custom automation logic. There are two main categories of nodes in NA10. First are triggers node. These nodes start the workflow. Examples include manual trigger, webhook trigger, and cron trigger. Second are action nodes. These nodes perform tasks after the workflow starts. Examples include Gmail, Google Sheets, Telegram, Slack, and Set node. NA10 provides hundreds of nodes for different apps and services. This means you can connect multiple platforms together without coding. Simply search the node name, add it to the canvas, configure it, and start automating your work. Now let's build our first workflow. Click Add Node, search for manual trigger and add it. This node starts the workflow manually when we click Execute. You can see workflow executed successfully. Now click the plus icon and add another node. Search for set node. This node allows us to create custom data. Add one field called message, name, value is Umair. Now click execute step. Here is the output. You can see node executed successfully. Great, our workflow has successfully run. This is how workflows are built inside N8N. Congratulations, you have created your first workflow in N8N. Hope you understand the lecture. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.